Ora Matthew Poku Prempe NAPO enche Dr. Bawumia beboni din se ono ye running mate edema Dr. Bawumia no okodi nkomo ewo baabi na okoye no ne yebusa no se we a former energy minister ewo Ghana ha now per experience awagada ene niama hodo hunumu a wahunu from that very ministry no se osha ede ben pa na ye problem na sa problem na wo no wo idea bia ye betime dia solve sa problem na free wa dumso ne Ghana atena so many years besin ne dumso da so ne yete enra na adwese nso to no modum party wo adwene bia ye betime ede atu ase ede free wa na ye ntie na asemo a okan ene ehwanu yi a ode mai
there is something that they are not telling us. What is it that you know that we need to know about the problems of what energy ministry? That if fixed, we all will not have what doomsday.
But if I tell you, they will be able to manage the doomsday better, and Ghanaians might not notice the difference, and it might take me a longer time to come to office in 2020.
But at least they will know
that won't help them.
Are you serving this country or yourself?
I serve the country with all honor. And to the time also that they stop me saying I promise in schools. I promise of my honor. You know they stop.
Enti we aya Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe NAPO na yebusa ne se dia ben na wo nimu a yebetimi dia solve afiri ho o se hwe se minim na meka enkofo ne betimi asolve dum so no kra ebasa MPP yemba ben mu bi afei o se we should be candid esese ye bold ne ka no credit Ghana for as politicians and no chance so kasa bebre sa edisi na semni ni adan na se waboto
me hu adwire me is that good na popa de do ba bi a o me nim say aya na we fini hu
na na poku
say dey what's a public forum?
Yes,
I bisa a question. Even if that is what you have at the back of your mind, must you say this?
How they own pen no cray?
No cray near then. Say oka the problem na e wo ho no. Say o solution no na say what the bar. NDC for betumi asidum so na no. Ama Ghana for ho atowom. Say Ghana for ho towom a omo hu difference no eba ne saa ono ebeteki no a long time and sababa office enti ene Ghana for ho nkyere wom na Ghana for nasum
no anka ne
na ono ba wa ba beye
na so anka ne
oti wo nim da oba bam na poti wo nim da oba bam onim da oba bam rami mate kra no see asade amount see ensan fama onim. You see ye wonema bia politicians edidi nkomo wo dem ana openi pia bontin na so ne omanfo odi nkomo nso a ye wo se de ye ka no e bia adwuwe betimi aye mo madwen a mode ehemutrim se oh ade ankofo yi you je bi se ni se pa solution ni be solve entina mo mode ye e de am manifesto di aba na mo ba mo ba be implement fine. And then will be our said the na de but so betna bontin be kan say a obi kura beto abama on to mawo obi pewasem a on pewasem because me say hum so ma Ghana ni kura kire no one day keke kura na you have been so unfair to the person and o ma kire na ye kire na no ne ye den say ye wo Ghana MPP Ghana na ye wo NDC Ghana enti ene no se MPP ni aban mu de a Ghana for nso fa kwa hutire mu a ko se bi na MPP kura na papa ben we mi ke be bomb chiri sisi a but
number test
but eno kura no papa ben ahoto papa ben what you say NAPO should by this time learn from time a year no running mate no all chances bi ni ma bi o ke kan ye ankofo mpo kan say NAPO kasa na MPP a lose vote Se susuan pass or that's so ambition ni say on the chassis ye betimi assign our pointing on us and nominating or as running mate. If you a nekono on share ni kasa ye. Ebeya obeko for
Ghana.
Asemo Kenya no kre.
Asemo can say so one kasa kra no bold enough. E can no kre Ghana for us politicians.
I don't know no kre ben. E do kasa wie no otimi kan bibi. O kasa wie otimi kan bibi. Because for you to say there ever solve a problem no. Dr. Bawumia made a similar comment when he met the press. And Anaya Okese say if my memory serves me right. Ebisa ne say enti sa enema yi a also oba obeye no adan na sese a mo power na monye ansa me no de man no o se me ye ni nyina na o tena me ba den na ba be office it's in a process of ma end obwa aban ma aban e solve dum so problem na ebe na no so nya akonya de aba office
NDC for the bedroom shine omo ma bontene meka so omo ma omo idea no.
It doesn't matter who gave the idea. A patriotic citizen is someone who gives out solutions and be to Ghana. What I say? The sense of patriotism, they say Ghana interest your interest. Ghana daddy or daddy. It doesn't matter whether you are in position or you are in power. What I say? And to be a double Ghana, and for that matter, then I feel marking and call for LGBT bill. So many say Ghana, and also many say opposition, and say a Ghana there, and the Munyana can visit for any of but on my Chichreano, and yet dear or non quatia bemu, they are part of governance. We Napoya former MP, former education minister, former energy minister. Ono agasa class a medical doctor.
Oti wo say enya na ban na wo so de but wo mo echeche slaughter or was slaughter. Or was slaughter.
Enti opa abonti na be kan ni senya ema odo na ankofo wo ma ne pe na ankofo kra pe wasem no. Eso ti obi obadwin sa asema na poka hu bi abon say aferas anana pokra fi de yenye ne. Apo me pe na asem pa o. Obi a me degene rough.
Me checking the pa.
Me say me hu na mani age. But obie na no so ana me buafu. Eye se ohwe sa anwumani yie. Na onhu se enye nsem nyina mpo na se sa mpo na tia. Ye ka enu ntina mpanufo bu bi se asem bi wo ho a ese ohena no. Ane ye wo asem a ese ochia no kwampia enso ano. Enti ohene emeka asem bi na later wasan betwe assign na mmom ochia me kan wan kan ye ohene beka senya sa enti ulo opinion esese wo na potential vice president o
enya so a potential
potential vice president
na
potential vice president say Kenya me you understand we be na ye bibi ana nkofo ye bibi 2024 second of all vice president.
Yeah.
I get from His Excellency Matthew Opoku Prempe.
Yeah.
And company vice president or nickname AKA NAPO. What you say? Na kasana say kikake kan wonsem sa. Na ma odom ewo nkofo ma no. Na ekofo na poku ye pe wasem. What you say? Enti sometimes never know am fan try say agro. Some of us will take it serious.
Ebi wo ho no wonso so a NAPO ese eduru ba bi na say okasa na mo Ghana for ma twist no eti nsemi wo no a oka am say ne twi no ana say ne parables no emu odu eye so deep to oka yenti ase ne ade ya twist no ne ye de aya asem foforo o say ana no okoka ase okoka asem bi wa Asante Bediatuo time ana ye pa ne ho ntoma as running mate na saka sana okasa ye no mama ne de nsem bebre e de aba na de di kai ma yentie sa asem na wo kan ye no na afi yenje mu enchire mu
even in tree but if the say case we will say a free style church Ghana from 1957 ebe kan ye nya president bi a wa boa Ghana che na do da Akufo Addo me say a free style 1957 Bakana, Mofamo Kwame Krumano, Mofamo Obia, the Wabadima Panya, what Bogana who buy, and the Ghana Kona Nim, China Nadu Dankwa, Akufo Addo. But to be sacrificed.
Eti wey aye Dr. Martin Poku Prempe ene ka asasem wey se efibra ye sha memu ase wo Ghana hai aban bien wa ye adwuma che na nado danko Akufo Addo nado danko Akufo Addo aban oye adwuma pa ene so ko ya nsu emre na ose eno kra no mo fa mo Kwame Nkrumah no asem we ko ya asem bebre enra wa kirem a church asem na se. Even
in Chi, I never said anything wrong against Nkrumah. If you want to be truthful, I said Kwame Nkrumah. I'm telling you, that was an MPP political platform. It was an MPP political platform, and I wanted to make a distinction between Kwame Nkrumah's values and Unite UP values. And even in Chi, me, I support Manchester United. You support Chelsea. So if I'm a Manchester United fan and I say, Mo Chelsea, no. You see, I do agree that the person, when the opponents want to twist, I suffered from the twisting of the language. Because, let me tell you the serious thing that happened. It was not the people that blasted me. Before I went to the platform, we had gone to Malaysia. And Otufo had spoken. The day after, he called me and said, when are you coming to Kumasi? Because you have been reported to me. It's the first time I'm saying this publicly. So I went to Kumasi after 2 weeks and said, what did you go and say on the platform? I said, Your Majesty, I would never repeat what I said on the platform, but I'll get you the tape so that you repeat. You heard it. Said, oh, somebody came here with a, just like you are holding that sheet. Hey, so I said, His Majesty, I don't know the person. I bet you the person is a CPP. And he sat back. So a few months later, he said, I said, call the person and call me. Otufo went to London a few months after, and he was going to the British Museum. So when I entered to go and greet him, that I'm coming to support him, there was a gentleman sitting next to him. And then he started talking about all what had been done against the Ashanti state. And that if me, I ever make a mistake, he will make sure that I end my political career. Just then, God is so good. The person who went to tell him the thing entered. So he asked him, you came to tell me NAPO has said it. What is it that NAPO said? The man nearly collapsed. I'm telling you, when he was coming back, the man was in hospital. He collapsed, right? Because it had been twisted. And that same person had gone to my grand uncle, Kofo, to tell him that on the stage, I didn't even mention his name. I mentioned Addo. And that all I said is that what he had come to do was rubbish. Look at that. So,
Enti, we are Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe, NAPO, and Waka say, Nasamwa Okaye no. Ghana for na a twisted no koye se, Adena koye money. Ekowi otumfo kwanim emane wurawura mu asem obi na ko otumfo ko di intro e de kire no wo kohia na London baabi so ko support no o we hwa na nipa na pie e kasa no otumfo se wona ba di na po nko concentrate me no ti say ti asam tetiri ne tietie nyina ne se na sam a okaye on MPP platform no nipa okọ twist asem no e CPP ni eti no koye ne sa eti na pasam okaye no na on didi Kwame Nkrumah tem na mom yen Ghana fo yen CPP fo ene twist asem.
Oh, it still comes back to asama na mekano. Sometimes ebiana utirimu po anasa asem na okano na umini bone anase unsusu mu na nye ne bone so nemum na weni ene wo o party so entina na wokeka onsem saa but marimbisa na po anase any other person oje sa na po assertion yitum say senne obi gina baby na so okasa mu Akufo Addo no a I don't mean to disrespect our former president. How are people going to take it? Nana Akufo Addo your former president or your penny enti se wo address na empo se na oni CPP fo mpo na ekwo ntokwa na se uno mo ye argument. At the moment you bring our revered Kwame Nkrumah's name, it's somehow I'll be addressing it. NAPO could have used any way to say Nana Akufo Addo better president than any other president. Without making it look like he was attacking Kwame Nkrumah. Because Kwame Nkrumah, Onyemo Kwame Nkrumah, Oye Kwame Nkrumah. You bet me, what I say? Oye Kwame Nkrumah, because he has been the president of the Republic of Ghana.
Exactly.
At that time, he ceases to be one party's man. And then he says, Senator John Dramani Mahama, Opie baby, I friend president of Ghana. Unkasa NBC for Mahama.
President.
The same thing applies to Akufo Addo. Now, same way, all international assignment to be on the African Union, not supervised elections.
Yeah.
You're addressing the former president of Ghana and your MPP for president. So if you are comparing presidents of Ghana, I don't want to say Akufo Addo na ne Kwame Nkrumah. Senka oye say Akufo Addo ene Kwame Nkrumah there. Then he's trying to distinguish say or different or can in any case, sa 2024 election no. Now what was the stake of CPP in 2024 election to even bring in Kwame Nkrumah?
Some also contest.
Na CPP. No more than
contest.
I'm going to say that. I'm psycho.
I'm so contested.
Say NAPO obe tries obe finding ways to explain himself. Sometimes ye jiwa anusi bonia ya. Na onso da ya wa onso try for anusi papa. No bi anje wa no anya de ensi boni. Na utie video ni ya. Mo oka mo Kwame Nkrumah no. Anka obe ka bibi. Ne hono na me say medlo bronkata no koka bibi no say kai ba mentwi break because na ofio tu fo o say oka na pepepe ye na na tu ni fo a na ode begina park ne so ndira say watwe na na no cry den awo fom o say no na ye ne ya no enye baase na e baase no na egbo ma de na koluki like say watwe na na no awo fom enti NAPO over time say onye MPBM say onye running mate
or die running mate.
Onye running mate.
Onye running mate.
NAPO onye running mate.
One of be running.
Onye running mate.
One of be running mate no.
Ada wako je adwuma NAPO so ya mana na.
Me ko je na adwuma. But
na de na be se my force so abese. Obeso de NAPO share ode NAPO share konsa.
Na ye ni Ghana.
Ada obeso NAPO share konsa.
Esi na ye ni Ghana ha. Ana na do darko Akufo Addo appointed Dr. Bawumia.
And they said Akufo Addo choice.
Ni ko mi no to so miensa ansa na omu wi ni. Na de na wudu obi akoba akopọ betima yi na si wo.
Onso wase mo aka point wo mo because Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ka kire say second chance is very important.
Yes.
Inti same before na the second chance there. And they say on NAPO second chance.
On one na be kwa sanko fo no mo na machire na omu di kokwansala yi no na yenye yi na
say nka so
na be kwa
yes so am mo gabi so
onya nkwa offer o say chemensa
lawyer down
Ultimate ko bia Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe NAPO ono na be
and said waka no say NAPO shase na omi who say Ghana ha no your politics na ye no in as much as or every right to say ni man person can some people are also waiting for him to criticize him whenever we feel say he has gone wayward
ono so ojitum
and Timon try to justify you see say twema mentwe e na makora paaye enti sa ho no ye twem me na fu bi o se sa hogu onsa Debbie I sa ho one day for crack kayen o kayen sensem enti onyai na afi on try say obe work on the vice presidential ambition no say there be subsequently say nyankopon ye o madom no so mu wini a na bi ananko no kran so no be after the base ebedi 8 years awie ene bi a on be ba de onso wa kire onso ata no da wa ahoden a obetin a onso wa kire wa dwe enti on share ne ma wie but Zenkum on a more serious note no NAPO baby a wa bedru no politics no wa konanim pa to even become a vice presidential candidate no and that small position until wa earn a lot of respect in the political space, especially in his party MPP. Messi say on carrying who ye on dodge some questions on carrying who ye you see adia ba ko a me Zenkum say o kind of crack na say we straightforward with data unsuro that's it but say certain things are ye di susu obi say we can ye one can ye we eno dey the members out enti say sanema no it is part of our politics say osuro sanema no dia on share ni kasa mu ye no make sure say watina na say tutu ababi o na me bodi a na makọ ha metum na on tinanim because we are nanaba also no ana hwe Nana my history ni nyina da wo na na ase. We are ka kire o say kofo bi dia betum ani se wo mu ade.
So fa nipa anya.
Sa. Me so na metete o. Enti mo mo hu say me nsa no de ya dibu nko a. Enti on hwe hawa obek ye ne neoma. Na wo vice president edi na ka kire say solution na wo no. Wo de ma current government ya ebe ma ya ho atoyen dodo a na nke yemu na ka ba nkade na wanyfo na be wuli o ba na dum so akumu nai why na yemu answer o selfish ambition ti yemu to say wo be nya kwan ba na be ba na ye dan kwa na right of association nyina na ye de that yoso mu a e no na pa an then na obey let us feel say we are Manyoni, you have Ghana at heart, whether in power or in opposition. No. Now, solutions be our other crown or more managing so eminent as a papa or the Tenacity and a crowd now pursue Martin. No, a crowd don't go there. Ghana have politician ben or man who can be managing. Is there any politician or Ghana have man who can be managing? Obama Casa no crown, the so called manager and management team now.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.